So guys, this is how you hold your venting pin. Okay, the other two hands have to hold it while your big thumb controls the movement of the pin. So when you want to move up, down, bend it sideways or bend it down, your big thumb will be the one to control the movement of the pin. Okay, thank you guys for joining me here. In this particular video, I want to show you guys how to easily ventilate for beginners up front. Okay, so to vent, you need few materials. You need your swiss lace, maybe something of this size. You need your venting pin. Okay, if the size of the pin I'm making use of here is 2 to 3, which what it means that it can pick 2 to 3 strands of hair, although you can as well in some cases use it to pick just a strand of hair. Then you need your canvas head or mannequin head, any one you can access. Then you need your pin, either you make use of this one, this type of pin, or the T pin. There's still another one that has the rubber head but longer than this one I just showed you guys. So to place your net, you have to indicate, know where the vertical line is. You see the first area I done, you see that you can easily see a vertical line, but this particular one you are getting a diagonal line. So place it where you, in a way that you're getting a vertical line. Then use your pin to secure the lace on your mannequin head. Okay, like I say, this is video is about hair ventilation, especially for beginners up front. Okay, I'm going to show you guys how to vent in less than 6 minutes. You'll be able to learn how to ventilate yourself. So grab your hair and give it a nice comb, removing all the short ones because you're making use of the long ones. Then this is how you fold your hair into two. Remember what I said about how you should hold your pin, just the same way you hold your pencil or your pen when you're about to write something. Okay, so the big thumb controls the movement of the pin. So you hold the pin not too tight so that you'll be able to move it around. Now moving over to the venting. So this is how you vent. When you pick your hair after passing the pin through one of the hole, meet that in the next hole. Then bend the pin downwards. Okay, use the pin to grab the hair. First make your knot before you release the hair. Pass the pin in one of the holes and bring it out in the next one. Pick two strands of hair and bend the mat of the pin downwards in order to pass the hair through the hole. And then use the pin again to grab the hair. First make your knot before you release the hair. Watch closely, guys. Just watch closely. You understand exactly what I'm trying to say. So when you pass your hair, use the mouth of the pin to grab the hair. Make a knot before releasing the hair. Okay, pass the pin in one of the knots and bring it out in the next one. Pick two strands of hair, bend the mount of the pin downwards. Okay, and then in order for you to drag the hair out of the hole, you need to drag it out of the hole first. When you drag it out of the hole, then use that's the mouth of the pin now to grab the hair. Grab it as if you want to knot something. Then make a knot before you release your hair. Okay, before you release your hand. This is one secret way of making a tight knot too. So this is why I just two things in one: how to vent for beginners up front, and again how to make a tight knot. Making a tight knot means you have to make sure your knot is tight first before you release the hair, and do not use the mat of the pin. Work with the mat of the pin, and when you pick your hair and pass it, do not stretch it too much. Okay, as in when you are picking your hair, it should not be up, instead it should be down. I don't know if you guys understand. That's the secret of making a very tight knot. So guys, if you watch this video to this point and you know you've gotten any value, give the video a like. Okay, comment if you have any question, just let me know in the comment section. Okay, if you have any video requests, you are free to let me know in the comment section. And if you are yet to join my family by following me and subscribing, what exactly are you waiting for? hit that follow button, okay? Hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that once I upload new videos, you will get notified. So this is simply a tutorial on how to vent for beginners, just in less than 6 minutes. You learn this. Save this video, use it to practice, and let me know what you think about it in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in my next upload. And please do not forget to like, do not forget to share with your friends, do not forget to comment. Bye.